How to get full resolution video from iPhone to iCloud. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Once you're here, find and select the video you want to move. With the video selected, tap on the share icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This opens the share sheet, which presents various options. From this menu, select the Export Unmodified Original option. You will then be taken to the Files interface. Here, you can choose the destination for your video and then tap on the Save button in the top right corner. Now, open the Files app to verify the transfer. Then, go to the location where you saved the video. You can now see that the video has been successfully moved to your iCloud drive. Following these steps, you can easily get full resolution video from iPhone to iCloud. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.